Welcome to this session on the process of establishing a social enterprise. India is a country with vast population, with diverse culture, traditions, tribes and religions. India has a growing economy, but people of India do face many problems such as poverty, unemployment, malnourishment, etc. India needs numerous social entrepreneurs with innovative solutions to the society's most pressing social, agricultural, and environmental problems. Hence, social enterprise becomes an important factor to help solve the social problems in India. Social enterprises are businesses that trade to intentionally tackle social problems, improve communities, provide people access to employment and training, or help the environment. Social enterprises are businesses that aim to change the world for the better, and the core mission is to benefit and improve the society and the quality of the lives of the people. Before we go into the process of establishment of social enterprises, let us understand what is a social enterprise, who is a social entrepreneur, and what a social entrepreneurship is all about. A social enterprise is a cost-driven business whose primary reason for being is to improve social objectives and serve the common good. Social entrepreneur is a person who establishes an enterprise with the aim of solving social problem or effecting social change. Entrepreneurs are conceptualized as individuals who see the world differently and envision the future better than others do. They seize opportunities that otherwise would go unnoticed. They perceive and accept risks differently than others. In the modern world, there are several well-known social entrepreneurs who have contributed a lot towards the society. The founder and manager of Grameen Bank, Muhammad Yunus, is a contemporary social entrepreneur who has been awarded a Nobel Peace Prize for his venture in the year 2006. The venture has been continuously growing and benefiting a large section of the society. Rengde is yet another brilliant example of a non-profit social enterprise. With famous rich business legends such as Bill Gates, Warren Buffett, and N.R. Narayana Murthy willing to provide seed capital for social entrepreneurs, there is no dearth of encouragement and incubating for them. A social enterprise is an organization that applies commercial strategies to make a positive difference for social benefit. In social enterprises, the social entrepreneurs tend to identify areas that are not working efficiently in the current system and try to solve the problem by changing it, spreading the awareness about the solution, and influence people to be part of the change. Like traditional businesses, they aim to make a profit, but it is what they do with their profits that sets them apart, reinvesting or donating them to create positive social change. It is business for good, and when they profit, society profits. Let us understand, why does social enterprise really matters? Social enterprise is one important tool among many that is actively and directly making our world a better place. There are different stages to establish a social enterprise. The first stage is goal setting. Setting a goal is the first step towards establishing a social enterprise. A goal needs a thorough understanding of the problem and the community that the problem is affecting. Any goal that is designed without taking into account all the economic, social and cultural factors that affect the community is bound to be ineffective. Therefore, one must think of how and in what way he or she can assist or support the society in eradicating or minimizing a particular problem in the community. The second stage is exploring. Since a social enterprise is a business, before starting it, an entrepreneur must explore the opportunities, focus groups, and operational areas, and who will benefit and how, etc. He or she must discover how his or her innovations, services, products are going to help solve the beneficiaries. What are the problems that they are facing, and how can they be helped to minimize the effect of those problems? One must study thoroughly about the traditions, cultures, values, economic, social beliefs, and functionality of the community or the focus group. He or she must explore what are the resources, skills, and knowledge needed. Therefore, it is important to have a clear sense of mission, thinking about who will benefit, what difference will it make, and how are you going to go about it. It helps to determine the level of social impact in the short and long term and how it will be measured and evaluated. This will also help in reaching the right beneficiaries and identifying one's marketing and networking strategies. The third stage is startup. A startup represents the journey from concept to reality. It is one of the few times when you can take something that is only a dream and make it a reality, not just for yourself, but for the entire world. A startup is a company typically in the early stages of its development. A successful startup wants to solve a problem and make the world a better place. The fourth stage is growing. Launching a startup can be an exciting experience. However, there is a big difference between launching a startup and being able to grow it into a long-term success. To make social enterprise flourish, one always needs to be growing one's business. It's going to take time and effort, but one will get out of one's business what one puts into it. Collaborating with more established brands is a great way to achieve growth. For instance, partnering with charity organizations and volunteers. In summary, social entrepreneurship means to start a business in order to solve a social problem and create positive change and impact. Their distinguishing feature is that they trade to support their social objectives rather than for personal gain. Working in social enterprises is not easy throughout its stages of establishment, that is, goal setting, exploring, startup, and growing. It demands flexibility and multiple skills and specific new skills such as human resource management, social marketing, finance, creativity, and innovations, empathy, social and emotional intelligence, leadership, etc. The world needs more social entrepreneurs and ecosystems which are helpful for them to make a difference in society.